In just a few minutes, simple dough transforms into golden, aromatic, and spongy bread. Raw materials: flour, yeast, salt, sugar, oil, water are quality checked. Flour is stored in large silos or storage tanks. Flour is sieved through an automatic sifter to remove impurities. All ingredients are measured accurately using a digital weighing system. Flour is transferred into the mixing machine. Yeast is added to the flour. Sugar and salt are added carefully to the mixture to enhance the flavor and balance the taste. In large factories, automated machines measure the exact quantity to ensure perfect consistency. Oil or fat is added. Temperature-controlled water is added. The dough is mixed in a high-speed industrial mixer. The dough is kneaded until smooth and elastic. The prepared dough is sent for first fermentation. Temperature and humidity are controlled in the fermentation chamber. The dough rises and doubles in size. The dough is transferred to a divider machine. The divider cuts the dough into equal portions. The rounder machine shapes the dough pieces into balls. The dough pieces rest in intermediate proofing. The molder shapes the dough into bread loaf form. The shaped dough is placed into bread tins or pans. The dough is sent to the final proofing chamber. The dough rises again to the required volume. The bread pans move into the oven via conveyor belt. The bread is baked in large industrial ovens at controlled temperature. The crust turns golden brown during baking. The baked bread is removed from the oven. The bread is cooled on a cooling conveyor system. Fully cooled bread is sent to the slicing machine. The slicing machine cuts the bread into equal slices. The sliced bread is automatically packed, date-coded, and sent to the market.